Want to know how to use your Apple Watch to take photos from your iPhone? By doing this, you can use your watch as a remote camera shutter for perfect shots. In this video, I'll show you how to use your Apple Watch to take photos from your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, the Apple Camera app is usually installed by default when you pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone. So, now, open the Camera app on your Apple Watch. Your iPhone camera will also open automatically. Now, you will see a preview on your Apple Watch screen of what your iPhone camera is seeing. Tap the shutter button on your Apple Watch screen to take a photo. Usually it looks like the white circle at the bottom center of the Apple Watch screen. Now tap and hold the shutter button to start recording a video and release the button to stop recording. If you tap the three dots icon at the bottom right of the Apple Watch screen, you will see a 3-second timer option. If you toggle it on, you can set a 3-second timer for taking photos. If you scroll down more, you can switch your camera between front to rear. If you scroll down again, you will get the flash option. If you scroll down more, you will see more options like live photo and HDR. And that's all. This is how you can use your Apple Watch to take photos from your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.